In today's video, I want to show you how to cancel subscriptions on your Apple account. If you are tired of any subscription and you want to cancel it from debiting your account automatically, I'm going to be showing you that right now. To cancel any subscription on your Apple account, what you want to do, first, you want to go to your Apple Store. So let's go to my App Store. As you can see, we are now inside of my App Store. So what I want you to do here, if you check the top right corner, you are going to see a profile picture over there. I want you to tap on that profile picture. So once you tap on that profile picture, if you look down here, if you look closely, you're going to see where it says subscriptions. So I want you to tap on that subscriptions. So once you tap on that subscriptions, it's going to load up this page for you. It's going to load up your subscription for you. So it says I have one subscription. What you want to do here, just want to tap on that subscription. So once you tap on it, you can see, if you check down here, you can see where it says cancel subscription. Just want to tap on that cancel subscription, and this subscription will be removed and cancelled from your Apple account. So guys, this is how you can actually view and cancel any subscription from your Apple account. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.